Welcome everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can add a bot to your Discord server in 2023. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, we open your mobile browser and search for Discord bots. You will get various sites, but I prefer top.gg. Here you can search for any bot. For example, I'll add the meme bot. When you found a good bot that suits you, click on it, and after that pick invite. You will be redirected to a page where you must put your account informations. Then you will be asked, do you give bot access to your Discord account? Also, you pick on which server you want bot to be. When you select, just tap continue. Once again, it will ask you for permissions. You can leave everything checked and go authorize. You also have to complete CAPTCHA day 1 just to make sure that you are not a robot. After that, you will get notification that your bot joined server successfully. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you leave like and hit subscribe button for more.